Hello, and welcome to the workshop. Walter here. Why woodworking? Why become a maker? It releases something within. It releases a spirit, longing to come out. Much like a tree standing in the forest or even on a city street. That tree has a spirit. And within that tree, there are pieces of wood or parts of the tree that can be released so that they can live on. Whether it be in a nice walnut plate where you can see all the beautiful markings of the grain, which as a maker we can sort of direct how that's going to happen, or in cherry bowls. I love cherry, as you can see. Each and every piece of wood is unique, much like us. From sycamore, also known as London plane tree, in big cities, in urban areas they plant them. But American sycamore, beautiful grain in this nice little lamp. Curly maple in the writing pen. Cherry and hard maple in this jewelry box. White pine tray inserts, which may or may not get lined with flocking or velvet. Hard maple, turned lidded box. And oh my, a surprise. We laid an egg. I make a lot of little eggs like this around Easter time. Everybody gets a kick out of them. They display them every Easter. But it doesn't stop there. Wood can be actually made into the tools that we use to make things, as in this hand plane. All I used was a few pieces of wood, a bit of steel, put it together, and I now can plane wood. There's no limitations. The only limitations we have in life are the ones we set on ourselves. And so as a maker, your mind is the most important tool that you have. Because whether you're blind, deaf, physically impaired, if you can visualize in your mind something that you want to do, be it jewelry or clothing, weaving, furniture building, house building, I don't care what it is. The only limitations you have are the ones you set on yourself. So I believe everyone can be a maker. I personally believe there isn't a single person on the planet that can't release their personal spirit into something, be it a loaf of bread, or a book, a song, anything. We're all makers, but for physical crafts, you have to have skill, but it's not the how-to that's important, it's the why-to. Why do I need to sharpen my tools a certain way? Well, if you want to plane something like this curly maple, you don't do that with a dull tool. You don't do that with a rock. Although there's some caveman woodworking out there, but even that's making. So I hope this short video helps. I'm the cameraman. I'm not a video editor, so you'll get it raw. I hope that it's what you wanted, and I hope that we get a chance to meet again. And that's about it for today. Thanks for stopping by, and see you down the road.